I show some powerful cards, red cards. Machine Lion, Red Rhino, Black Panther, Machine Gorilla, Machine Gorilla, Whale, Killer Whale, Lion, Gavia, Metal, no, no pencil, lightning, acceleration, or leadership kind of mean cause that's popular. Luna, give me the one. Lazy Luna, lazy Luna, Luna is so lazy. Here's a powerful cat, red cat. My name is Jabber. Squeak, double click. Machine Gorillas, Machine Shark, Heavy, Machine Gorilla, Legend Rhino, Heavy, Machine Feet of Machine Gorilla, Tabito, okay. Tabito. So some winning Java. Bye. Goodbye. Hello. Shita. Metal Way. The heart is playing. The heart is playing. A Shokuman's monster cat. The heart is playing. A Shokuman's monster cat. Leopard. Metal Way. explain more functional as detail. Our method applies do the young shark before playing. I chose a multiple cat, gray cat. Turtle. So like in the AJ, we have explained a circle cat, king cobra, blue young shark, goby, killer whale, sea shark. Bye. Good morning. Little alliance, multiple sawfish, hippopotamus, brown hippopotamus, Kobe blue. Finish. Goodbye.